a numbers-matching 4x4 big block Corvette, fully frame-off restored for just $40,700. This American legend might be the best classic car deal you'll see today. The roar of a true American big block is something every car enthusiast remembers for life. Today, we're looking at a machine that perfectly captures the golden age of muscle cars and sports cars combined, the legendary 1971 Chevrolet Corvette LS5 4x4. This isn't just another classic Corvette. It's a numbers-matching example that's been treated to a meticulous frame-off restoration, preserving one of Chevrolet's most iconic performance machines while bringing it back to collector-quality condition. Under the long, sculpted hood sits 454 cubic-inch V8. This massive 7.4-liter big block engine produces a factory-rated 365 horsepower and an incredible 465 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers only tell part of the story. The real magic is the effortless surge of power every time you touch the throttle. The deep rumble from the dual exhaust instantly reminds you why the 454 remains one of the greatest engines Chevrolet ever built. Power is delivered through the dependable turbo-hydromatic 400 3-speed automatic transmission, better known as the TH400. It's one of General Motors' strongest automatic gearboxes and perfectly complements the enormous torque of the LS5. Smooth shifts, dependable performance, and effortless cruising make this Corvette equally enjoyable on long highway drives or weekend car shows. One of the biggest reasons collectors value this particular Corvette is its numbers-matching drivetrain. Having the original factory-installed LS5 engine dramatically increases authenticity and collector appeal. In today's classic car market, originality matters, and this Corvette proudly retains the heart that made it special more than 5 decades ago. What truly separates this example from many others is its comprehensive frame-off restoration. The body was removed from the chassis, so every component could be restored, refinished, inspected, or replaced where necessary. This level of restoration requires tremendous craftsmanship, patience, and investment. The result is a Corvette that looks remarkably close to the way it rolled out of the Chevrolet factory in 1971. The exterior styling remains one of the most recognizable designs ever created. The incredibly long hood stretches toward the horizon, emphasizing the massive engine underneath. Flowing front fenders, muscular rear haunches, chrome front and rear bumpers, and the unmistakable Coke bottle body shape create a timeless silhouette that still turns heads today. Every angle reminds you why the C3 Corvette became an American icon. Move around the car and you'll notice beautifully restored trim, bright chrome, clean body gaps, and a finish that reflects light from every direction. Every detail showcases the quality of the restoration and the care invested in preserving this legendary machine. Step inside and you're welcomed by a classic cockpit designed around the driver. The bucket seats provide excellent support while maintaining vintage style. The center console places every important control within easy reach, creating an experience that feels purposeful and sporty. The factory gauge cluster provides all the information you need, including a large speedometer and tachometer that perfectly frame the driving experience. Wood grain accents add a touch of sophistication, while factory air conditioning offers comfort that makes this Corvette enjoyable even on warmer days. Power steering and power brakes further enhance the driving experience, making this classic surprisingly easy to drive in modern traffic. Fire up the LS5 and the entire car comes alive. The starter turns, the giant 454 erupts with a deep, thunderous idle, and every pulse through the exhaust reminds you that this is pure American muscle. Unlike today's turbocharged engines, this naturally aspirated big block delivers instant throttle response and mountains of torque from virtually any engine speed. Press the accelerator and the Corvette launches forward with effortless authority. The massive torque pushes you back into the seat while the unmistakable soundtrack fills the cabin. The independent suspension keeps the car composed, while four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power that was advanced for its era. Performance remains impressive even by today's standards. 0 to 60 miles per hour arrives in roughly 6 seconds, while the Corvette continues pulling with confidence all the way toward an estimated top speed of around 140 miles per hour. Yet the experience isn't only about speed, it's about the emotion, the sound, the vibration, and the connection between driver and machine that modern performance cars often struggle to replicate. Perhaps the most surprising part of this incredible package is the asking price. At just $40,700, this frame-off restored, numbers-matching LS5 Corvette represents exceptional value in today's collector car market, considering its restoration quality, originality, legendary 454 big block, TH400 automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. It offers enthusiasts an opportunity to own one of Chevrolet's greatest performance icons without reaching six-figure territory. Whether you're an experienced collector, a lifelong Corvette enthusiast, or someone searching for their first investment-grade American classic, this 1971 Chevrolet Corvette LS5 deserves serious attention. It represents an era when styling was bold, engines were massive, and driving was an unforgettable experience. More than 50 years after it first rolled onto American roads, the 1971 Chevrolet Corvette LS5 continues to prove why legends never fade. It isn't simply transportation, it's rolling automotive history, handcrafted performance, and timeless American engineering wrapped into one unforgettable machine. If this Corvette were sitting in your garage, would you preserve it as a collector's masterpiece or take it out every weekend to let that legendary 454 big block sing? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible classic cars, rare muscle machines, and collector automotive legends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.